By the end of this video, you should be able to properly populate a rack for installation. Before you begin, you will need a powered screwdriver or drill. When possible, it is a good idea to lay the rack onto its back before you begin to populate, as it will make loading the rack much easier. It will also help to eliminate the cross-threading of screws because you won't be holding the equipment while trying to secure it at the same time. You'll also want to attach all rack ear assemblies to the equipment beforehand. When loading the rack with equipment, try to keep in mind that weight distribution is an important factor for performance and safety considerations. Imagine the rack split into thirds with the heaviest equipment at the bottom and the lightest equipment at the top. Some examples of heavy equipment for racks are uninterruptible power supplies, amplifiers, and receiver amplifier combo units. Examples of medium weight equipment are control system components, DSPs, and video matrix switchers. Examples of lightweighted equipment are power conditioners and sequencers, wireless microphone receivers, as well as shelving for loose equipment. Not all racks will contain heavy equipment. If, for example, you are installing a wall mount rack, there may not be an amplifier or a UPS unit. When this is the case, install the audio equipment above the video equipment. Also, please take note that even though power conditioners are categorized as lightweight equipment, they can populate the rack as needed to help keep cabling organized in the back of the rack. Loose equipment such as HDMI balins and extenders, power bricks, and PoE injectors shall be secured to a shelf by hook and loop strips. Under no circumstance should you secure loose equipment with any type of liquid adhesive. All electronic equipment is destined to fail at some point, making it absolutely essential that we are able to remove equipment from the rack so that we can replace or repair it when required. Once you have your rack populated and all the equipment has been secured, raise the rack back to its upright position. Your rack assembly is now complete.